Alright, here we go. Last box of the break. Good luck, everybody. If I can get another case of this, we'll do another case of it. Try and get another one. We got so far. Try and get a couple. We can do it again. Nice stuff. We're going to shot. Probably take this, I'm sure. We get the same crystal, dual shield or something. Alright, here we go. Last box of the break. Good luck, everybody. We got another thin autograph in here. Where are my demi cards? Here we go. Carey Price base for the Canadiens. Number to 199. Matt Duchene for the Avalanche. Also number to 199, I'm assuming. Yes. Legend Milt Schmidt. That is definitely Bruins. Number to 99. Our first hit goes to the Hurricanes. Zach Dalpe. I don't know how to say that. Hurricanes. Ooh, nice duel. Fuck, look at that. See? Damn. Now, I wish I would have. Did you see? You guys told me not to trade. You guys told me not to trade, baby. Look at that. For the Sharks, we got Joe Thornton and Danny Heatley. Numbered 1 of 25. Dual auto. Nice. That's nice. 1 of 25. eBay 101 right there. We're gonna have another random. No way. No way. What a fuck. Oh! The vlog show went down right as I'm fucking. You guys watching on YouTube. Right as I'm watching the fucking vlog show goes down. How funny is that? Right when I'm getting all excited for a big card, the fucking show goes down. I still got the YouTube rolling. That's awesome. You'll. I'm like, oh wow, crazy, and the fucking show goes down. We got a random auto, numbered 6 out of 50 for the St. Louis Blues. I mean, I think I'm getting all excited. The guy might even be good, but I think he's good. Brett Hull. Brett Hull for the Blues. Can be a random. Hit his teeth. Number 50. What a random right there. Nameplate. This one says nameplate on the card. Actually tells you it's a nameplate. So we got a 2-color patch, piece of nameplate. Steven Stamkos for Lightning. A Brett Hull autograph for the Blues was the one we're getting excited about. That would be a random Brett Hull auto. Blues. We got Stamkos nameplate, 14 of 25, and this is a brand logo. We got the Reebok logo of Patrick Kane for the Blackhawks. 9. Oh, is that 6 of 6 or 9 of 9? I don't know if it's 6 of 6 or 9 of 9. Hold on. What do the other numbers read? 6 of 6. I think it's 6. I think it's 6. Patrick Kane. Not Patrick Kane. Yeah, Patrick Kane. Yeah, for the Blackhawks, piece of the Reebok brand logo. Pretty nice. I'll show you the numbering so you know what I'm working with here. I think they read that way. I think they read that way and not that way. I think it's 6 of 6. Alexander Ovechkin, all-decade jersey. Capitals. Nice. Number to 99. We got 2 really nice private signings. This one is Jerome Iginla. Jerome Iginla for the Flames. Our other one was Joe Sakic. Jerome Iginla. And the last card of the break is a 3-color patch of Drew Stafford for the Buffalo Sabres. 24 of 25. And that's it for the case. Thanks for joining. We got a couple randoms to give out. Peace.